Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Today I am going to show you how to prepare sevayi by adding soup or vermicelli by adding soup. Okay, first of all heat some water in the kettle. Okay, let the water get boiled properly. By that time in a bowl take hot and sour soup chings one powder and keep it aside. Okay, and also cut the vegetables like see here I peeled some green peas, then capsicum, then carrot, then onion and a tomato. Okay, water is ready now. Now add little bit water to the soup in the bowl and make sure no lumps and mix it well. Okay, now keep this aside. Now add all the veggies to the kettle. Okay, you can add vegetables of your own choice. Okay, now let it get boiled with the water for 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, add more water if required. It's been 2 minutes. I'm boiling the veggies. Now add some salt to it. Turmeric powder. Red chili powder. And garam masala powder. Give it a mix and add the vermicelli. If it is not roasted, you can roast it, or else also you can get a packet of it, roasted vermicelli packet, which I already have shown in the last video. Add half a teaspoon of oil, not more than that. Now again give it well, mix it well, sorry. Why I am adding the oil is because it should not stick to the base. Okay, now you can close the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. If required in between, just stir it and check if water is required, then add little bit more water. Okay, now the vermicelli is cooked. Do one thing, is add the soup to it, which you have already mixed. Mix it nicely. Now boil it again for 10 seconds. Okay, after that just switch off the kettle and wait for 1 minute. Let it be there in the kettle. Okay, I would like to show you the kettle. See, because of adding little bit of oil, didn't stick to the base. It is very easy to clean. So guys, I know you all have tried soupy like Maggi with soup and all, but not vermicelli or sevayi. So please do try this recipe. You can use as a substitute of Maggi. Okay, I bet you it is very tasty. Okay, so if you like the recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.